Alright guys, here is a video from my channel from 2017, right as I just got the shop built and started to get some equipment in and just kind of barely getting going. And since the shop was built, I was having some pretty major issues with water coming in under the roll-up door when we would get a hard rain or a long sustained rain. And that has been the case ever since then. About 5 or 10 times a year when it rains really hard, I would get water coming under the door, and it might be a little bit or it might be a lot, like in this case. Sometimes I'd be out there at 2, 3 a.m. with a shop vac, getting it out as fast as it was coming in. And so the rest of this video is going to be showing some concrete coming in to be the foundation for our new shop expansion. We're going to be doubling basically the space of the shop and also fixing these water issues. Check it out.
Mario Villarreal.
Alright, so we got Andreas Cruz running the show here. So appreciate all the hard work. Tell us a little bit about whatever you want to tell us.
So we did this slab right here. It was 2 different pours. We had to do the forming, all the form set, and then we did the tin ledge. That way we can set the tin ledge on the side of water keep them from water and go back into the building. Then we had to come back in here and pour the slab first. Then we did underpinning form. We had to put the form in to separate the driveway from the building, and then we had to do that lip right there. The little slope coming down for the door. It'll sit right here on this door pocket, so it'll keep from water whenever it rains. It'll keep from water go back into the building. So all this water will come, it'll go out to that to his driveway. And then we did the slope from that corner of that door right there, so we'll keep that water from both of the buildings. That water will go away from the buildings, and then it'll catch this valley here. It'll go up to that corner, and you can see the water going that way. So that's what we did on this one.
So what you're doing here is to prevent the problem that you're now having to fix on this one.
That's why we're fixing this problem now, because they didn't do that dark pocket like we did on this one. So that's why we had to come back and fix this problem. We still got to come back and do the last touch on that. So, know what I mean, to make it look good. But that's what happened there. They didn't do that sloping in, and they have a problem, a water problem. That's why we didn't prevent from going that water going back into that building.
Awesome. Thank you, sir.
Yes,
Appreciate
sir.
it. All right, guys, that'll wrap up this video. You can hear the rain. Normally, when it's raining this hard, I got water gushing in under this door, but this was yesterday that they came and did that. You can see all the towels. That's normally how I do it when it rains hard. I put, you know, towels there to kind of keep most of it out. But so you see it's all dry up here. You know, there's no water creeping in. I mean, that's just left from yesterday. It's been raining for 2 or 3 days straight. You see, we've got a pretty good rain going there. Water running off like it should. Very, very thankful not to have to worry about the water coming in anymore. So, we got stuff everywhere. We got lots of improvements coming. Stay tuned.